Home remedies to fight a dry cough. Discover how to avoid it with the ingredients you have at home and end with the inconvenience. The cold weather and low temperatures can bring recurrent ailments that, without being serious, are more than a nuisance. Dry cough, which can also be caused by an infectious problem, is a cough without mucus or phlegm, but it produces a great irritation in the respiratory tract, with the added aggravation that the germs spread quickly through it. Some of the problems that help to provoke it are allergies, tobacco, air conditioning. Signs that can end in continuous itching of the respiratory tract and an annoying and persistent nasal congestion, in addition to an inflammation of the throat. These are some home remedies that can help alleviate the effects of dry cough. 1. Hot drinks, not cold. Hot liquids help to soothe irritation of the throat, although it is necessary to modulate the temperature of the same. Soups, infusions, teas, and products such as ginger and mint are indicated since they help to eliminate mucus and to widen the respiratory passages. 2. Salt gargles. A practical solution to reduce the effects of dry cough is to gargle with salt, for which you have to pour a tablespoon of salt into a glass of warm water. It can be done several times a day. 3. Home syrup. This formula includes honey, ginger, and lemon, positive elements to relieve a dry cough. Mix the slices of lemon, honey and sliced ginger in a glass bowl. After closing it, place it in a refrigerator and wait for a gelatinous layer to form. Subsequently, a spoonful of said gelatin is added in a cup and hot water is poured. You have to keep it in the fridge for 2 or 3 months. 4. Grapes. This fruit has very beneficial properties for the organism and works as a very positive natural expectorant. You can eat them for several days or also make a juice with them, adding honey to make it sweeter. 5. Onions. Finally, another of the foods that can also be a home remedy for dry cough is onion. After chopping, add a few tablespoons of honey and let the mixture rest. Then it can be taken as a syrup several times a day, although its flavor is not exactly pleasant. It also fights some symptoms of the flu. To learn more about home remedies to fight a dry cough, share this video with others, comment, like it and see the transcript of this video by clicking the link in the description below.